Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about the products that destroy our liver. At the end of the video, I'll share a list of the top 4 products for restoring the functionality of this vital organ. The liver is the most vital organ in the body, carrying out a variety of tasks and playing a crucial role in the digestive system as a kind of filter. Situated just under the diaphragm on the right side of the abdominal cavity, it is the biggest internal organ. After passing through the digestive system, dietary ingredients are taken up by the blood and sent to the liver, where they are changed. The liver produces bile, aids in maintaining a steady blood composition, and takes part in all forms of metabolism and detoxification, which rids the body of waste and toxins. Proper and balanced eating is crucial for liver health maintenance and illness prevention. Now, let's discuss harmful products for the liver. Harmful products for the liver. Before we delve into the products that damage the liver, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. Make sure that your subscribe button turns to subscribed. Enjoy watching. 1. Salty products. Salt and salty products contain a high amount of sodium. For instance, about 100 g of salt contains around 30,000 mg of sodium. However, the daily recommended intake for an adult is 2,000 mg. Excess sodium in the body often leads to kidney function impairment and changes in water balance. This can disrupt blood filtration and the proper functioning of the liver. 2. Fried foods. Fried products lead to certain health problems, with the liver being particularly affected. French fries, burgers, and other dishes cooked in large amounts of oil increase the load on the organ. Additionally, many fried foods are breaded or contain dairy products, which further intensify the strain on the liver and gastrointestinal tract. Consuming these types of foods excessively can be detrimental to liver health, given the high levels of fats and potentially harmful compounds formed during the frying process. 3. Spicy spices. Excessively spicy seasonings can affect the liver similarly to toxic compounds. They prompt the liver to produce more bile for their processing. Excessive bile, however, can accumulate in the bile ducts, which may eventually lead to the formation of gallstones and fatty liver disease. While spices can add flavor and have health benefits in moderation, it's crucial to use them cautiously, particularly for those with pre-existing liver conditions or sensitivities. 4. Red meat. Excessive intake of red meat in the diet can adversely affect liver function. Red meat is high in saturated fats, which can slow down liver activity, leading to disruptions in the functioning of other internal organs. Additionally, while protein is essential for our bodies, consuming it in large quantities can increase the strain on the body's systems. Even a healthy liver may struggle to break down a high amount of protein, leading to the production of toxic substances. Instead of red meat, it's recommended to opt for lean meats such as chicken, turkey, or tuna. These alternatives provide the necessary protein without the high levels of saturated fats, making them a healthier choice for maintaining liver health. 5. Carbonated drinks. Most carbonated drinks are made up of more than half refined carbohydrates and sugar. The combination of these components can negatively impact the functioning of the liver and other internal organs. Additionally, these drinks often contain corn syrup, which, when consumed regularly, can lead to excessive weight gain and liver damage. Sweet carbonated beverages are frequently associated with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. For example, Diet Cola contains a large number of additional chemical additives, which give the drink a rich taste without calories, but it lacks any nutritional value. The main artificial sweetener added to these drinks is aspartame. High concentrations of aspartame in the body can lead to mitochondrial dysfunction and depletion of ATP in the liver. This, in turn, can lead to an increase in the organ's weight and further health complications. Therefore, it's advisable to limit or avoid the consumption of sweet carbonated drinks to maintain liver health. 6. Fatty foods. Regular overconsumption of fatty foods disrupts and hampers the functioning of internal organs, particularly affecting the intestines and liver. Foods high in fat can lead to inflammatory processes in liver tissues and become one of the main causes of liver cirrhosis and cancer. They cause a rapid increase in harmful cholesterol levels in the blood, which can trigger the development of heart and vascular problems. To maintain good liver and overall health, it's important to moderate the intake of high-fat foods, focusing instead on a balanced diet that includes healthier fats, such as those found in fish, nuts, and olive oil. 7. Canned fruits. Despite the numerous benefits of fruits, overconsumption, especially in the form of canned fruits, should be avoided as it can lead to an overdose of fructose in the body. Fructose serves as a storage form of energy and, unlike glucose, which is directly metabolized, fructose is processed differently. Therefore, fructose is beneficial only when consumed in moderation. In excess, it leads to an increased burden on the liver, a rise in blood sugar levels, increased acidity, damage to the tissues of other internal organs, and obesity. Canned fruits are particularly harmful to the liver because, in most cases, they contain high concentrations of sugar and corn syrup. These added sweeteners significantly increase the fructose content, making them far less healthy than their fresh counterparts. To protect liver health, it's advisable to choose fresh or frozen fruits over canned ones, especially those canned in heavy syrups. 8. Sweets. Products such as candies, ice cream, cakes, and so on are major sources of simple carbohydrates. They contain high concentrations of refined sugar, corn syrup, artificial sweeteners, and other food additives that negatively impact the functioning of the liver and other internal organs. Simple carbohydrates provide a feeling of fullness for a short period, leading people to overeat often. This can result in extra pounds, a heavy burden on the liver, and sometimes even organ obesity. When choosing sweets, especially ice cream, opt for those made from natural cream, without flavor enhancers and taste boosters. It's important to moderate the intake of such sugary treats to maintain liver health and overall well-being. Choosing products with fewer artificial ingredients and lower sugar content can help in reducing the adverse effects on the liver. 9. Alcohol consumption. It's crucial not to overindulge in alcohol. The liver helps the body break down alcohol, and when a person consumes large amounts in a short period, the organ has to work doubly hard. It's better not to mix alcohol with carbonated drinks, as this increases the strain on the liver. Regular and excessive alcohol consumption reduces the liver's ability to regenerate, impairing its capacity to break down toxins. This increases likelihood of developing liver diseases. Responsible and moderate alcohol consumption, along with giving the liver time to recover and process the alcohol effectively, is key to maintaining liver health. Remember, the liver plays a vital role in detoxifying the body, and overburdening it with alcohol can lead to serious health consequences. 10. Canned foods. Canned foods contain sodium, which is used for preserving food and enhancing its flavor. The high concentration of this element in canned goods can lead to fibrosis, which is the initial stage of scarring in the liver tissue. Excessive sodium intake from such preserved foods can disrupt the delicate balance of fluids in the body and place additional strain on the liver. It's advisable to opt for fresh or minimally processed foods over canned ones to reduce sodium intake and protect liver health. When choosing canned products, look for those labeled as low sodium or no added salt to minimize the potential adverse effects on the liver. Beneficial foods for the liver. 1. Garlic. Garlic aids in activating liver enzymes, which are effective in eliminating toxins and other harmful compounds that accumulate in the liver and the body in general. The allicin and sulfur compounds present in garlic, when consumed regularly, help cleanse the liver and support its health. Allicin has antioxidant, antibiotic, and antifungal properties, while sulfur enhances the effect of antioxidants to activate liver enzymes and normalize the organ's function. It's recommended to eat 1 to 2 medium-sized garlic cloves each day. However, it's important not to overdo it, as consuming garlic in large amounts can worsen liver function and cause other problems, such as pain in the right side under the ribs, digestive issues, belching, and heartburn. For people with certain gastrointestinal conditions, like gastritis, stomach, and duodenal ulcers, it's sufficient to eat half a clove of garlic per day. In cases of hepatitis and liver cirrhosis, garlic should be excluded from the diet. As always, moderation is key, and it's essential to consider individual health conditions when incorporating garlic into your diet for liver health. 2. Coffee. Research shows that coffee can reduce the likelihood of developing liver diseases. Drinking about 2 cups a day can help reduce the risk of cirrhosis by approximately 40%. Coffee may also have a protective effect against non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. The key benefits of this beverage are attributed to its ability to decrease the amount of fat and increase the levels of protective antioxidants in the liver, as well as preventing liver scarring. Pure black coffee is considered the most beneficial. It's important to limit the amount of sweeteners added to the beverage, as excessive use of sweeteners can negatively impact the liver's condition. Drinking coffee in moderation, especially without excessive sweeteners or cream, can thus be a part of a liver-friendly diet. 3. Pumpkin. The liver favors fruits and vegetables with orange and red flesh, and pumpkin, thanks to its high content of the rare vitamin T, is considered an excellent side dish for meals with pork and beef, as well as other fatty foods. The vitamins in pumpkin facilitate the efficient digestion of fatty foods, thereby unburdening the liver. Pumpkin aids in restoring disrupted liver cell metabolism and repairing its damaged structure. One of the key beneficial properties of pumpkin is the restoration of the cellular membranes of hepatocytes, liver cells. Including pumpkin in your diet, especially alongside richer, fatty meals, can help support liver health by assisting in the metabolism of fats and protecting liver cells. This makes pumpkin not only a tasty but also a liver-friendly addition to your meals. 4. Avocado. Including avocado in your daily diet helps activate the production of the antioxidant glutathione, which is essential for filtering harmful substances in the liver and protecting its cells from damage and premature aging. Avocado is rich in vitamin C and E, which neutralize the action of free radicals. The fruit also has anti-inflammatory properties, positively impacting liver health. With this, we conclude our video. On our channel, you can find many interesting videos about the benefits and harms of vegetables and fruits, as well as about diseases and their treatments. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. I would also be grateful if you could like and share this video with your friends and family.